Enkane mampanyi John Dramani Mahama no koye gina se wotu franka wa DC amanyoko no edimo na afimpini no du enan mo no bibia koye otima baba ye mampanyi wo mayimo na oguso ya wokwa pro na proboni mo no de nsem otu dwa kyerese MPP aban pra wo pre no ho de free SHS bebo adze sankoda no kura gu school mu na aduane wo no mu di no sebi mpre adua sankrama aduane kora ne mu odu emu ohwam eche aduane ankoda no edi Kanema mpanyine John Dramani Mahama edi na probo no akwakopie mu ewo esikumo dobembra kwa no ne omanfo ekodi hyiemu ene wodi tu dwase Ghana mampanyine na dan kwakofu ado epre no ho edi Free Senior High School eba yananka opese wotwe omanfo adwene esi MPP amanyuko no ehu nanso ene yi aduane a wode ema adesuafo no ewo school mu no sebe nkrama aduane kora ekamia ese eye papa eche no enchirimu a wodi tu dwa enie
also making sure that classrooms or how many baby I see there. Also making sure that dining hall or baby on betting ABD. And the chance, you know, and I need see dormitories, dining halls, this and your money now. I was secondary school singing now. And you see blocks, community day schools, so I come home. If you say, and for that, the doors one, I was so when your school need to and we move by obviously free SHS no at once. What's the 1 year a who will be and Padano Ebenya a hotel 18 years and no energy or how number. After it's middle, Mubako Ebia Kukren to me, secondary school. Now in your dormitory, this is all for pay Obi dying and high man Oba 18 school. And then we can share Ediania and Padani Dio school. Sebi and Prediasa. Ediani Fiempo. Make my in this Ediani. Sebi. Every school back, no more phone.
Yenfi hono manafe yenko ensem foforo emua enkane kasafo abedi achi wo mrahye bedwem onokoya na ye mrahye bedwani masika do katanje ugate opanyi de nsem ahodo asudwa na nsem abo kanyina ene se wose oh my god na sebe ya benya otie didi mpa karabrofum se survivor na wose mpanifo hwe na wodi ne ma ahodo ogu akwam de wose ye no ye mie ani enye na mo manfo asetene mu enkoyi Enkani achi amehina bedi echiwe ene mrahye bedwane wo esikado ketan abato mpesua sojo gati echirimu a sedi omayisi kasem akwakoye no enyade se abribia aban edinani ebeto oman foforo so no akobo wo mobosia se beye omayisi kasem ebegine yi okere se ewumu se ewiase afa na nyina ena afa oha mu ne senti enyasa aban no ayenhwe ha enu nti omayisi kasem entimi enyina yi oshega na fo nkran se obibia afa ne hunyim se beye a ti kasem no ebetimi atoto yi
What's the ones that so we cannot continue depending on external people to continue building us up. Look at the ECG thing that is happening. Look at the amount of debt that is owed. Meanwhile, we are all insulting ECG. And so these are things that we have to correct the system. These are things we have to do. We have to learn how to pay our taxes. We have to learn how to pay our bills. None is perfect. I don't say I'm perfect. But we all must learn how to pay this, and to come a time that I'm confident that within the next few years we'll see a different Ghana.
Enwachi odito mrahye bedwafo anim se wonye wonne ma pepepe e wo mrahye bedwafie se be ya emra wodo eda wonim e wo se wotimi agitum no obeye ne sana omayi akonanim
behind us. After judges voting, but I say judge back almost say straight from High Court he's come to Supreme Court, so there's a problem. Justice Taylor, one of the most famous judges in Ghana, Justice J.K. Taylor, he came straight from the High Court to the Supreme Court, and he was excellent. After all, there are judges who came from private practice, said on that bench, Buddha, straight from private practice, university, straight to Supreme Court. So the Constitution gives a qualification for Supreme Court, certain number of years. Once you have reached that number of years, you are qualified to be a judge. So, Mr. Judges, just the good thing about the judiciary is the judges, after you have been a judge, the decision you can't remove it unless under the Constitution.